Fascinations. Today in my video I'm gonna share my hair remedy after damaging my hairs by straightener or curler or any kind of heavy tools, heat tools. So what I usually do after my straighten is I immediately do some kind of conditioning to my hairs. That is very important for me. And as you can see, my hairs are very dull and it's looking thin and dry. So it's looking like actually not manageable. This is extremely good, and the ingredients are very easily available in our kitchen stores.
The ingredients are 1 cup fresh coconut milk, 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon castor oil, and 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. If you want, you can add egg yolk and vitamin E capsules for even more good, awesome, quick results. And remember, if you have any kind of sinus problem or if you are tend to cold or cough, then you can avoid castor oil and aloe vera
But
gel.
before this, I use one more product, that is this one, parachute hot oil warming coconut hair care.
I will start up with my parachute hot oil and I will give good massage all over my scalp and hair lengths for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I will apply coconut hair mask for at least 1 hour. Coconut is really good for hairs and skin. It nourishes and keeps smooth. I'm done with my hair wash. I can really feel the vast difference after my head bath. Within 4 months, you will see drastic change. This coconut hair mask will help you to grow your hairs long and thick and shinier. This mask can be used by a boy or a girl. Onto my damp hairs, I always use hair serum. This is parachute hair serum, which helps my hairs to retain its moisture. This serum is for those who use heat styling tools for hairs. Take a little portion of hair serum according to your hair's length and density, and then apply it on your damp hairs. You should use this only on your hair length. It should be just like touch up to your hairs, and don't bulge it with as regular hair oils. Give it a good massage on your hair lengths. Use this mask at least for 6 months, that is weekly twice. At least you can definitely see the growth of your hairs. It does even good with egg yolk and vitamin E oil, which I have skipped in my video. You can actually see the difference, right? As it was before and right now. It's really much better than before. The more you give massage to your hair lengths and scalp, the more they will be happy. And of course, you will be happy by seeing your healthy hairs. You can actually see that I'm running my fingers so easily on my hairs. Even the ulcer patient's stomach wounds can be cured by coconut milk. Yes, it is damn that good to heal your ulcer wounds also. Hey lovely people, do like, comment and subscribe my channel. And lastly, hey women, you can do it. Thank you. Jai Hind.